Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025 in Let's Learning Excel. Today we're going to learn about short. We could use short to short data, that is in data, short. Let's try in fraction. It's not going to sort A to Z. And you could also add a level here. So from fraction, hero. So it's gonna sort by fraction and then by names. And let's make it descending. And we could also sort it by total value from largest to small or small to largest. Okay. By hero. That's the second level. You could actually sort not by cell value, but instead you could actually sort by cell color like this. And you could put what color you want. The fraction I don't set out of color, but the hero I set a random color here. So cell color, what do you want to sort first? You want, for example, this color green to be in the top. And then what other color you want on the top after green? You could use another cell color here and put like this color. So yeah, it's color, so the color here. Because we don't set other colors. Giant here is not sorted out. Now, other way to sort is by, let's remove this first, by font color. It's the same thing with the cell color, so I'm not going to show you, but we could actually use conditional icons. Like example, in the charm, we use a conditional tool, so we could do the same thing, like sort it from green, and then add conditional from yellow, comes again. And lastly, we don't need to show the word because everyone has colors. So yeah, that is sort by icon. Now we can also sort by not conditional, not using this. It's using cell value, but it's not in alphabet thing. So for example, if we want to sort doctrine here, we could actually add a list, a custom list, so it's not alphabet. Okay, for example, I have this list. I create, local, confusion theme, Mike, untethered, nobles. It's not sorted out. So this is a different, if you sort E to a Z, it's just a random thing that I create, but it works, When we sort it, it starts with local, even though it's not before C, because it's confusion, it's local. But it works to make your own list. You actually could sort it like ascending or descending, so it starts with nobles. It's the same thing, like ascending and descending, but this time it just turn back the list. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope it helped. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.